Here I've got Alcatel 5V, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all applications, find and pick the settings, then scroll down to the very bottom of the list and select System. Then go to Reset Options, and now select Reset App Preferences. As you can see, this operation will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default application for actions, background data restriction for apps, and any permission restriction. However, you will not lose any app data. So if you truly want to perform this reset, click on Reset Apps. And that's it. This is how you can easily reset app preferences. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.